Hello everyone, I'm here with my lovely friends Mateo and Rachel at the Magic Kingdom tonight. We're gonna be here for a few hours, 2 hours, 2.5, and we're gonna have fun.
We might. It's Magic Kingdom, so I don't know about all that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Right here. And fresh.
What's going on over there?
Had to pop a 911. Horrible.
Up to the big old sky.
That doesn't look fun. Good thing we're not doing that.
Are we gonna get wet on this ride?
I don't think so.
Okay, good.
Actually, I think they're mammals.
Looks really fucking good. Imagine if you just 10 out of 10 on that.
Oh my god, I should really make a Mardi Gras video for ITM. Wow. Damn, chill. Wait, she kind of has bisexual lighting. I can't find my pins.
Oh.
Okay, I found. No, these are pennies. Where are my pins?
Wait.
Bruh. Can you hold this?
Wait, I have one for you.
Oh shit, actually. I don't know where they are actually. So I'm up in the Hamptons. We're gonna go stay at my auntie's this weekend. It's very nice out here. I don't know. Guys walking so slow, dude.
No, literally.
Beep beep. This guy's blocking my view. What the hell? Yeah, you're gonna look at that one later.
Okay, guys, smile.
Your guide aboard.
Thirst Rangers.
Please do not take flight while on board. Thank you.
You're so pretty. It's true. It's everybody's saying it.
Dream for a community of tomorrow. Back here.
So true. So we just filled out our Oscar ballots. So I'm gonna get the Mikey Madison Kitchen Sink Sundae to celebrate Enora. I got the All-American Sundae, beautiful, wonderful, perfect All-American Sundae. And what'd you get?
Wait, I'm chewing.
She's chewing. She chews tobacco, by the way.
Brownie sundae.
Brownie Sundae. Holy shit, where'd he come from?
I just want
right
to
by me,
say
isn't it?
that I didn't get anything because I was just in the hospital and my glucose level was too high.
He had kidney stones.
Still have one. Still sitting in there.
Do you want me to... Goes uptown, Hong Kong, give it to you. No, not you, not you. So we're preparing for our marathon. That's gonna be my next vlog. So we're gonna walk back to the TTC.
This is so magical.
We're watching the fireworks. It's our honeymoon. We just traveled here from Boulder, Colorado, and we're so happy. This guy's just been following us. Oh my god, Tinkerbell. Do you see her? That just took over this random guy. But we felt bad. He's all over.
I'm not into that poly stuff. Please.
Oh my god, the castle looks like it used to when it was pretty. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Chills. Oh my god, it's Toy Story. That's your favorite.
Oh my god, that's literally Woody right there.
Low key, Angela Bassett did the thing. Guys, it's like we're there. You guys, this is just such an epic night. And the magic was here. It was calling. And you are the magic. Bring it in, you guys. All right, bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Anyways, that's gonna conclude our night at Magic. It's like midnight. The park closed at 10. I don't know how we did that. We walked all the way from Magic Kingdom just for fun. We had a fun time. We saw Enchantment in the year 2025. That's my second time seeing it this year, actually. Kind of crazy. But yeah, it was a fun night. It was a good time. We saw our friend Lana. And she hung out with us for a little bit. That was fun. Shout out to her. And we just had a good time all around. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Plenty more fun just like this. And I'll see you real soon.